Welcome to my detailed review of Sage CRM, one of the most recognized customer relationship management tools for businesses. In this video, I'll take you through everything you need to know about Sage CRM, from its key features and usability to its pros and cons. Whether you're a small business owner or a part of a larger organization, Sage CRM is designed to simplify managing customer relationships, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Starting with its user interface, Sage CRM offers a clean and intuitive layout. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of key metrics, such as sales pipelines, customer communication history, and team performance. Navigating through the platform is straightforward, with a focus on usability that ensures minimal learning curves for new users. I'll guide you step by step through these features to show how easily you can get started. Point 1 of the standout features of Sage CRM is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with other tools like Sage Accounting, Microsoft Outlook, and various marketing software. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses already using complementary platforms. I'll also demonstrate some of these integrations, so you can see how they improve workflow efficiency. Another highlight of Sage CRM is its customizability. Businesses can tailor it to their specific needs, from creating custom fields to setting up automated workflows. I'll walk you through a practical example of this customization, so you can see how it fits into real-world scenarios. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These links might help you explore additional tools, tips, and software recommendations. After you finish watching this review. As we continue, I'll discuss the pricing structure of Sage CRM. It operates on a subscription basis, with pricing tailored to business size and requirements. I'll break down what this means for different types of users and help you determine if it's cost-effective for your business needs. We'll also touch on customer support and training resources. Sage CRM provides multiple support channels, including live chat and an extensive knowledge base. This is especially useful for troubleshooting or getting started with the platform. Lastly, I'll share my personal experience using Sage CRM. While it excels in many areas, there are a few limitations, such as a lack of advanced AI-driven analytics that some other CRM tools might offer. However, for small to medium-sized businesses, its ease of use and robust feature set make it a strong contender. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of Sage CRM. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and guides, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.